guys, this is Kayla and welcome to Kayla Vlog. So if this is your first time you're seeing this baby girl's face, or this is your first time you're watching my videos, please, I want you guys to do 3 things for me. I want you to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. And to my host subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you guys for having my back always. And without wasting much of our time, I am welcoming you to another amazing, lovely reaction experience. And you know what? It's still your baby girl, Morissette Amon. If you are yet to listen to her music, please, you're on a long thing. For me, for now, it's still Morissette Amon or no one else. And you know what? I'm always blown away. Okay, so guys, Morissette Amon, she's beautiful, she's sweet, she's amazing, please, what can I use for her, man? Girl, she's talented, yes, and I love her so much. I don't know about you, but if you don't love her, I think you really need to Google search her, and you just have to love her. Baby girl, please look at me, look at my face. You just have to love her. Yes, so without wasting much of our time, let's drive straight to the video. But please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Guys, it's just 30 seconds to this video, and this is what I actually subscribed for. I'm already getting lifted. What? Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel unconditional love. One who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now. Okay, I'm sure I'm not the only one feeling these vibes, man. Let's go home. Peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality. If we loved each other. You guys, I must really say, I love her energy. Oh my goodness, her voice is just exceptional. The energy, the vibes, is just. Go girl, let's continue. Find victory, but in this harsh reality, sometimes I just wonder that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now. Carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight, lead us straight up. You're by my side. Sometimes it's like can't be so cold to pray or come and carry me home. I said it. You just have to agree with me that this is what I call talent. This is the definition of talent. Go girl! I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Carried away, man. This is lovely. How I wish I had my. Maybe next time when I'm having my next reaction, I have to come fully prepared because I'm almost blown away. Wow. Let's continue. from this. This is so amazing, girl. I tell you guys, it was really amazing. So guys, if you've watched my video up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, girls, please, what are you waiting for? Come on, smash that subscribe button and let me know what you think about this video. I love you guys. Catch ya.